holiday season coming up. We're all looking for easy things to take to holiday parties. At least I'm looking for easy things to take to holiday parties. And so I'm going to show you this no-bake dessert that is a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves it. My family loves it. My husband's family loves it. And I'm actually making it so he can take it, so my husband can take it to his work Thanksgiving party. But listen, welcome to my kitchen. This is a non-aesthetic real life kitchen. I have dirty dishes. That's my crock in the sink back there. It needs to be washed. I have coffee stuff. I don't have a cute aesthetic coffee bar. I've got my coffee, my syrups all out here. Don't judge my non-aesthetic kitchen. It functions for me. I just have this 9x13 pan. If I make it for like family, I put it in a glass 9x13 pan. But since it's going to his work, I just wanted to put it in something that he can throw away at the end of the day. You need some graham crackers. You need 2 boxes of the instant pudding. So like not the kind that you bake on the stove, like the instant pudding that you like whip and it whips up. Some chocolate frosting. I like the Hershey's brand. I think it takes 3 cups of milk. I need to check my recipe. And then just a tub of Cool Whip. Okay, let's throw this together. I'll show you how easy it is. Okay, I do realize my head's probably going to be cut off for most of this, but I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So, you're going to take your pudding, 2 of them, and empty it into our mixing bowl. One, 2, 3. Take your Cool Whip and you're just going to kind of fold it into your pudding mixture here. So when it's all said and done, you should have a pudding Cool Whip mixture. It's like puddingy, but it's a little more fluffy because of the Cool Whip. Okay, here comes the fun part. Pan with anything. We're not lining our pan with anything. You're just gonna take your graham crackers and just kind of follow the shape of the pan with your graham crackers. Easy peasy. And then like spaces like this, I kind of just fill them in. So I'll break the graham crackers up and just fill in these kind of empty spots, or half of it on top of your graham cracker mix. So we're gonna just put them on top here. Lid off of it here. Now, this is controversial. I'm gonna put mine in the microwave for about 15 seconds so it gets liquidy, and then I can just pour it over top of this. crushed no-bake holiday dessert. It is a crowd pleaser. Everyone loves it.